Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the durations of photos the same in CapCut PC. So in here, I want to add these three photos, but I want to set the durations to be the same. So if you want to do like I do, you can just go to the settings first. So go to the menu in here and go to settings, and under these settings you can go to the edit tab, and in here you can see this is the settings to adjust the image duration. So you can just set in here. For example, I'm going to make the durations into 1 second only. So delete this first and type in 1. After that, click on the save button, and let's try to add these three images. Okay, the first photo has been added. Let's try the second one and the third one. You can see the photo is all in 1 second duration, and the total is 3 seconds for these three photos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.